It's all overgrown. Wonder if I catch some ghosts. I'm out of breath. Gonna see the train tunnel. It's so overgrown, I'm out of breath. Hold on. This is creepy as I'll get up and go.
The locusts are more dangerous than any.
I feel like I want to stop there.
Okay, now I can do a switch.
Butterfly. There's a butterfly. It's a black butterfly. Ah! There's little bugs. We can't go close.
No, it's all grown over. I ain't going in them weeds. There'll be snakes in there.
Hello! Woo! What does that way go to?
That's the trail. I wish they would come up and cut the grass.
In the trail?
Yeah, like on the trail, so you wouldn't have to worry about.
If there's any spirits or trained souls here, let your presence be known. Speak, talk. Let your presence show in the tunnels. What are all these? Do you hear anything?
Not this time, but I think.
Let your presence be known. I'm going to have to say goodbye. Show yourself in the tunnel. Let me zoom in. Show your spirits. Show yourself in the tunnel. Talk now. There's a huge bug I seen over there. That way. It did. Orange wings. Make your bye. If you can say goodbye, say goodbye. Look at the waterfall over there.
Oh yeah, I never noticed that before.
If there's any ghosts here, let your presence be known.
Oh no.
If there's any ghosts, scare the hell out of us. Talk in, can we get a view of over there? Is it safe to walk over this way?
Oh, you're good.
I'm scared to walk any closer. I want to zoom in on this video. See if I can. Yeah. Waterfall in the woods. Let your presence be known.